AlarmaBici.com. We are the first online shop that sells alarms and security for bicycles. The ABC alarm can be activated by movement sensor. You just need to press the button B 1 or 2 seconds. When you listen a second sound, the alarm it's on. With the alarm switched on, any hard movement can activate the alarm. To stop the alarm, you just need to put the combination that you have chosen earlier. Then, the alarm will be switched off. Remember that any question can be answered in our page online or the social networks. Remember that if you want more information, you have our mail info@AlarmaBici.com.